Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are having lots of fun. Well, personally, I'm having quotes fun. You know, when you have a when you have a child of 3 years old, you know, it's going to be so much fun. Yeah. All right. So I hope you have been practicing. Yes, and I hope the tutorial we've been doing so far has been helpful. Okay. So today we are going to draw clothes. Yes, we want to draw clothes on our croquis. If you missed our croquis videos, I will leave a link for you to follow up. Okay. So like I said, we'll be clothing our croquis. Yeah, because you know your mannequin has clothes on them, so your croquis or your fashion figure should have clothes on them. Okay, now to draw clothes on your fashion figure, you need to have a knowledge or tips or whatever to know how to draw clothes. Okay, but today I would just like you to follow me to draw these clothes. Okay, so let's get to work. Okay, so I have three croquis here, and I have three croquis here, and they have different poses. Okay, so on each croquis I'm going to draw something. Okay, so you just have to follow me and see what I'm doing. Okay, so for this first croquis, yeah, this one, we're going to start with this one. Okay, so for this first croquis I am going to draw I want to draw a jacket that that is kind of open, yeah, and then you have a camisole, a kind of camisole inside. Okay, and then with a three-step flay skirt. Okay, that's what I want to draw here. Yes, that's what I want to draw here. So let's get to work. Okay, all right guys, so to start off I am going to use this lighter pencil. Yes, my mechanical pencil, the lighter one. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so let us get to work. All right. Okay guys, so what I just did is just a map out of my croquis, a map out of my clothes. Okay, that's what I just did. Okay, so when you are done with the map out, you are to clean the body parts you don't need to show. Okay, so I'm going to clean the body parts that I don't need to show. Things are going off. I'm not. Okay, all right, so I have this. It looks rough, right? So I'm going to take a darker shade of my pencil now, and then I'm going to shade out. can you see our croquis? Can you see that we have clothed our croquis? It's no more looking like the previous one. Okay, so you can now decide to render, to put some detailing. Okay, you can decide to put some detailing on your clothes, your choice. All right. You can decide to put some detailing on your clothes. So can you see my clothes? So I have done my my clothes. Okay, I have done this. So let me zoom out so that you can see. Okay, so can you see our croquis from up to down? Okay, so the next one we want to create is for this. Okay, now this one I would like to do a tube and then a flounce at the waist. It's going to be a gown. Yes, it's going to be a gown. This one, number three, I would like to do a pencil trouser. Okay, v-neck, a deep v-neck, and not too fitted. Okay, and then the sleeve is going to be an exaggerated one. Okay, so let's get to work. Okay, all right guys. So you can see how I actually clothe my croquis, okay? Clothe them to look nice, and then yeah, clothe them to look nice, okay? So I hope in this little time we have spent together, you have learned one or two things, okay? I hope you have learned one or two things. So basically, you are, like I always tell my students, you know, you are limited by your imagination. You can do a lot more than you have ever imagined, okay? So that will be all for today. If you have any other question, you can always ask me. And if you also want to go deeper in it, if you want to know how